Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a problem that, let's be honest, we've all faced. How to turn those raw, messy Cucumber test results into reports that are powerful, shareable, and actually useful. Okay, let's start with a situation I'm sure you've been in. You've written all your tests, you hit run, the whole suite finishes, and then what? What do you actually do with the output? You get this, right? A giant wall of text. It's a total mess, hard to read, nearly impossible to analyze on the fly, and you're definitely not going to screenshot this and send it to your team to show what's going on. But what if we could fix this? Like right now. The very first step is to just tame the console output itself. So the key to everything we're doing today is this one little thing, the plugin option. Think of it like the main control panel for your test results. It lets you decide exactly how your results look and where they go. And just look at this transformation. On the left, you've got the default chaos. But on the right, by just adding the monochrome plugin, you get instant clarity. No more weird characters or crazy colors, just clean, readable black and white text. So much better. And you know what? We can take it even further. You can also add the usage plugin. And suddenly you get performance data right there in your console. It'll show you which steps are taking the longest to run, which is perfect for finding bottlenecks in your test suite. Okay, a clean console is a great start, but the real power comes when you generate reports you can actually save and share with other people. So let's create our first visual report. The HTML report, think of it as a polished brochure for your test run. It's visual, it's interactive, and it's designed so that anyone can understand it, not just developers. It's the perfect way to show the health of your application at a glance. And making one is super simple. You just tell the plugin you want HTML, add a colon, and then give it the path where you want to save the file. That is literally all it takes. A report for humans is awesome, but now let's make reports for machines. This is where we unlock a whole new level of automation and integration with other tools in our toolchain. Now, a JSON report is not meant to look pretty. In fact, it's just raw data, but that's its superpower. It contains every single detail of your test run in a structured way that other programs can easily read. This makes it perfect for feeding into custom dashboards or running analysis scripts. You're starting to see the pattern here, right? The syntax is exactly the same. We just swap HTML for JSON and point to a new file. It's really that consistent and easy. Okay, this one is huge. If you're using any kind of CI/CD pipeline, we're talking Jenkins, GitLab, CircleCI, you name it, the JUnit XML format is absolutely essential. Think of it as the universal language that all these automation tools speak. It's what allows your pipeline to understand and display your test results. And to get it, well, you guessed it, we use the exact same syntax. Just specify the JUnit format and tell it where to put the XML file. Simple as that. So let's do a quick recap. It's pretty straightforward. HTML is for people. It gives you that nice, clean visual summary. JSON is for programs. It gives you all the raw data for custom processing. And JUnit XML is for your automation pipeline. It's the standard for CI/CD integration. But hold on, why should we have to choose just one? We need all of these for different reasons. So let's figure out how to generate every single one of these from just a single test run.
We've seen all these commands on their own, but running your test suite 3 different times just to get 3 different report formats? That's incredibly inefficient. There's got to be a better way.
And of course there is. The plugin option is smart enough to let you list multiple formatters at once. You just combine all of your report configurations into a single command. So now you can run your tests one time and get every single report you need. Game changer. All right, so we've totally mastered generating local reports, but there's one more really powerful option I want to show you, and this one takes your reporting online, into the cloud. Cucumber has a publish option built right in. When you turn this on, as soon as your tests finish, it automatically uploads the results and gives you a secure, private link to a beautiful online report. This makes sharing and collaborating on results with your team so much easier. And that leaves us with a final thought. Generating reports isn't just about logging what passed and what failed. It's about transforming raw test data into real, actionable insights that help drive quality. With these tools, you now have data for humans, for machines, and for your pipelines. So the real question is, what do you now build with it?